clean out next to tank, baffle clean out. Going towards tank. Concrete there is the baffle itself. That is the tank below. Going in through baffle, we can see into the tank. Wiping lens are going to try to go towards the house. Transition from house to looks like ABS piping, and this is the house piping. Looks like cast iron. A little bit rough, but will work. Section here replaced, looks like. This is a little bit rough there as well, but wide open. Have a little bit of a channel here. A little deformity. Nothing screaming major. Section replaced, looks like. Yep. And some more fittings. And looks like a clean out right there. And now we're going to record going backwards again. So, transition smooth into rough pipe. No bellies whatsoever. Very good. This is probably the roughest portion of the line. Toilet paper can get stuck on that. And then we have a little piece here dried out and crumbling. Some debris that's stuck to the walls. Transition from outside to inside. Or inside to outside, 30-34, and up the clean out.